Well, the very recognisable pattern or design of Aynsley Cottage Garden there with the blue butterfly. This is the large Windsor design Rose Bowl. We know that from the original Aynsley label that's still adherent to the base. There you go, Aynsley Cottage Garden, late 20th century, made in England, China marks, and Cottage Garden Windsor Rose Bowl, L for large, with its EIM barcode on there. Still in place, obviously not gone through a washing machine or been washed. I don't think this one's actually been used. The interior is absolutely crystal clean. Nice blockwork, 1, 2, 3 sections of the cottage garden pattern design, this being the main one with the 2 butterflies, and then the rose bowl holder, the grill, if you like, in really immaculate condition. No rust, no wear, no signs that this has ever been used. To be honest, I think this is probably a collector's piece and just used for its decorative appeal as opposed to its function as a rose bowl, but it's perfectly usable, glazed interior and good to go. All the dimensions will be on the website listing. This is quite a substantial piece, as you can see when I put my hand in there. It is a sort of 2-hand lift. Once it was filled with water, it would weigh quite a bit. Nice bit of moulding detail with the swags and around the rims here with these castellated almost details with the scalloping around the upper rim. If you're interested in this bowl, then follow the link description from YouTube. It will take you through to the website listing. We'll have all the dimensions, dates, sizes, everything you need to know to make your decision on this particular rose bowl over on the Vintage and Antiques website. Thanks for watching.